Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to show you the new turn signal DRLs that I got. Side mirror ones. And it's been about 2 days now since I had them, and I love them. They look really good. Function way better than OEM, of course. And it wasn't too bad to put them in. It took me a lot longer than it should have, but I got them in, so. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the lights and then show you the light function. So of course you probably see, you know, the courtesy light on the turn signal mirror itself. So the mirror, you know, OEM, but also on here as well. There's an LED bulb in that, but it really brightens up the whole thing. You know, you can see a little bit of light around. How much that just lights up. So yeah, they look really good. You know, it really just makes it seem that much more, you know, luxury premium that you would expect from Lexus. And when it comes to lighting, I think that's a big part, you know. So, all right. So yeah, there's that on both sides. So then I'm gonna show you the unlock function. So there's an animation that starts. It's the unlock function, but just like when you turn on the lights in general. So whenever your lights come on, it'll always do that. So, you know, if you're driving and you have your lights on auto and then you just turn them on while you're driving, it'll do that animation and then be on the DRL portion. Okay, then I'm gonna go on the other side. Well, it's not just for this side, but I'm gonna just show you the animation again. So, real quick. Oh, sorry for blocking the view. That part is also a turn signal, so like that'll come on. So it's a animation, like it blinks itself, so you'll see how that blinks. Yeah, so it also does that with the animation, and I actually just found that out today, and I think that's so cool. Let me see. Yeah, so I'll show you the just the DRL function. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Of course, with the puddle lights on, but I guess I'll just wait for that to turn on. I think that will turn on. I don't know if they stay on after I just open up the car door and I like not starting it. But yeah, they look really good. You know, it's bright, very noticeable. Okay, now the puddle lights turned off. Oh, no, there they go again. Never mind. Oh, there we go, okay. All I had to do was just lock the door and turn the lights on. Yeah, and I think that's really dope. I really love that. I got this unlock it, and then I'll show you the turn signals. So for this, you can make it sequential or static. Of course, you can see the turn signal in the back too, so people can shoot from the side. locked again just so the thing stops coming on. Yeah, there you go. Alright, but yeah, that's pretty sure that's it. So thank you for watching.